Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper, and this is video number 3 of 4 on my swaps. So let's go ahead and get started. This set is from Celebration. We did Celebration swaps, and so let me go ahead and show you. This one was mine. This is with the little counting sheep set, and it says you're amazing, and I just thought this was just adorable. Needed a little bit of color and we were good. So again, here we go. Everybody else's is like, seems to be 20 times better than mine, but that is okay, you guys. There are things that I am taking out of these. I'm getting these to show you, and I'm getting them to learn. So I'm constantly learning as a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. So for every $50 you spend, you're able to choose something from the Celebration catalog, or you can get a $100 item if you spend $100. So let's go ahead and look. This is the Dahlias. Adorable. I believe that is a $100 stamp set there. And it is so cute. We've got this little guy here. Now, if it is, I'm thinking that this is not Celebration, but that is probably my fault because I was looking through all of these, and I have done so many swaps, and I tried to keep them organized, but I also tried to share them with my friends and show them as well. So look at this again, the great ribbon that people are using, just so pretty, and that paper is amazing. Here's another of those dahlias. I think the dahlia is going to be very popular. So if you are wanting that, make sure you grab it. I don't know that it's going to sell out. I don't think it will, but, or go on back order, if you will. But I would definitely get anything you want before it runs out, especially if paper, that might happen there. Here we go again. We've got that beautiful dahlia. That is the distinctive stamp set, and if you watched my flip through on the new catalog, you saw we talked about the distinctive there. So pretty. I'm loving the fresh freesia. And then we've got this guy here, and they are using the Bedazzling glimmer paper that is free. You get a 6x6, and I think there's 8 pieces of it, and it is just lovely, lovely, lovely. So, all right, that is my Celebration swaps. I hope you guys like it. If you are going to order and you don't have a demonstrator, please go to jeanpiersanti.stampinup.net. I would love to be your demonstrator. If you're purchasing in August, please use this host code. It goes toward my online classes that I'm going to be doing, where we will have door prizes and also fun. And if you spend over $50, not only do you get the Celebration item, you also get to attend my online class. So, all right, I have one more coming, so make sure you are subscribed if you want to see some more great swap cards. Have a great day. Bye.